How to fix Facebook live comments not showing. Let's get started. For that, first of all, make sure your internet connection is stable. A slow or unstable connection can cause delays or missing comments during a live stream. After that, open up App Store. In the search bar, you can simply search for Facebook. Once you search for it, tap onto it and make sure it is updated. If you see any update button instead of open, you can simply tap on update and install the latest version of the app. If the issue still continues, head back to your home screen. Open up settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, search for Facebook and then tap onto it. Now tap on upload app, then tap on upload app again. This will clear your app cache. Now head back to your home screen and then open up Facebook again. And just like that, check your comment moderation settings to make sure they are not restricted. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.